Hi everyone, my name is Anna Paula and I'm here to share my experience with Free Sugar Pro. Honestly, at first I was very skeptical because I had already tried several methods to control my blood sugar and nothing seemed to work. Then, after a lot of research, I discovered Free Sugar Pro, a 100% natural liquid supplement that promises to help balance blood sugar levels in a practical and safe way. I started using it following the instructions. I take the drops directly in my mouth twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Within just a few days, I already noticed a huge difference. The constant fatigue I used to feel started to fade, my energy levels increased, and the most incredible part, my test results showed real improvement in my blood sugar levels. I also noticed that my cravings for sweets, which used to be uncontrollable, became much easier to manage. What I loved most is that Free Sugar Pro has a natural formula with ingredients like cinnamon and berberine that really help regulate insulin and boost metabolism. And the best part, it's super easy to use daily without needing complicated formulas or heavy medications. If you're also struggling to balance your blood sugar and want a natural and safe solution, I highly recommend trying Free Sugar Pro. But pay attention, only buy it through the official website, which is linked in the description and pinned comment, because that's the only way to have the real product guarantee. Don't take risks. Today, I feel much healthier, more energized, and more confident. My self-esteem is back, and my quality of life has improved so much. Honestly, it's a transformation that's worth every drop. So if you're ready to take this step toward truly caring for your health, click the link to the official website in the description and the pinned comment. Don't wait, your health deserves this chance.